As I promised you today, we are going to prepare our chicks for the first vaccine. Now they are ready to be given the first vaccination, and we have prepared the room where we are going to move them to as we vaccinate. As you can see, this is the room where we are going to move them to as we vaccinate them. So we have put fresh sawdust on wood shavings, and now we want to prepare the vaccine, and this is how we are going to go about it. We have our water for injection. We have a syringe. We have a dropper, and then we have our vaccine NCD+IB. So always ensure as you prepare this vaccine that it is going to be placed on the refrigerated water or the ice cube. We are going to mix the NCD+IB with the water for injection. We are going to mix. Now we are mixing our NCD+IB with the water for injection.
Let them know we need 6 mils.
We are only going to use 6 mils of this water for injection for our 100 doses. For our 200 doses of NCD+IB, we have used 6 mils for 200 doses. So we are mixing now. Once you mix, you are going to shake well. Shake well. The remaining water for injection, we put it in the dropper. Then we are going to put the mixture in the dropper and shake it well. We'll put in the dropper and shake it well. Mix thoroughly. Mix thoroughly. To make it a solution, place it back on our ice cube. Place it back on our ice cube, and then we are ready now to start our vaccination process. Remember, we are not doing this as vets. We are doing this from experience of handling chicks for a long period of time. We have been into this business for the last 10 years. So we have been trained by the vets on how to do it from home, and that is why we are in a position to do it. And the method we are going to use for giving this vaccination is the eye drop. So watch our next video to see what is going to happen.